Hello my beautiful people. Today I'm cleaning with my cat. I'm gonna show you how to clean the carpet. So the first thing you will need to do, you need all-purpose cleaner or water in a spray bottle and just spray lightly your carpet all over with the water or all-purpose cleaner. And then you will take Woolite carpet and upholstery cleaner. This one I got from Walmart, and then you just spray, attach the top on the bottle, and then you will press, and there will come this white stuff out. This yeah, how you call this, is like a kind of soap or chemical special for carpet. So now you just rub it in very well where you have stains in your carpet. So I just decided to do the whole carpet because it's small, and then you keep making sure that the carpet is a little bit wet. So I'm keep putting all-purpose cleaner on top of it, and I'm just keep rubbing in where I see the most of the stains. And it smells really good, you guys. You should try this one. If you have a huge carpet, it's gonna take forever, but for small carpets like this, it's perfect. I have cats, so this is just great for me because it's, you know, when you have pets, your carpet smells gross and there's so much hair on it. And yeah, then you let it dry. And I think I just waited like 10-15 minutes, and that's how it looked like. It wasn't too wet, it was just perfect. Everything is just gonna disappear, and that's how it's gonna look like. And then if you still feel there's like stuff on top, you can just vacuum it. And thank you so much for watching, you guys. If you have any questions, please comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe for more. Thank you so much.